Was another do a big man into no or your boss who can friend one can you another your boss and any
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that bia no e between the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey into Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra momi enko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
That's why Nana, I like him as a person. Yeah, people don't understand.
You talk to him.
That be
but you used to talk.
No, a big man. Was Nana do a big man into no or your boss who can friend one can you Nana do your boss and any year you my mama no ya down for. Your mama do the whole Ghana you be down for.
But not your
boss. And was an Indian Nana. Or tune for friends or therefore or no Nana. On your down for sir. You're better than another down for. Hey, maybe Nana do the level your way. Your Muhammad dear or you're down for. Oh yeah, your boys. Obia over market is here. Obia, Obia to say your mama or your street or your guy. And another day your boss. Yami a small god.
Pass that bill.
Yeah.
Echo the presidency. So
are you doubting what the president said?
I'm doubting that.
The issue is this.
Because there's that kind of back and forth.
The issue is what I know is they planned transmitting the bill to the president.
Yes.
And Omone Asante Bedetu Kasai.
Yes.
Asante Bedetu wrote to them.
Yeah.
Some more mumfamba.
Yeah.
Because
there
is an issue pertaining in court.
Yeah.
And Oman Peninsula can say the bill was supposed to come to him, but he hears a certain young man has taken the matter to court. Yeah. So it never reached his table to sign.
So are you
so
in support of what I'm saying?
So because yeah, the idea to now do na one sign. And no man penny kase per his records. Oman penny kase the bill never got to Nanado, whether by mischief or otherwise. President court na hono. There were no records showing say the bill has come to the table of the president. I don't know what
there's a record to show say there were attempts.
There's a difference between
moves by the presidency to
there's a difference between
the transmission of the bill.
The Omanpeni canon say bill na meto Omanpeni him so on side. Whether there was mischief or otherwise to stop it no one can. But no person can say bill na meto him.
President John Dramani Mahama say. President John Dramani Mahama say. Anti-LGBT bill was never sent to President Akufo-Addo to sign. Full stop. He continues. Someone sued the speaker to prevent him from submitting the bill to the president.
Jamaica can call right, mommy.
Someone sued the speaker to prevent him from submitting the bill to the president. So the bill never reached President Akufo-Addo.
And it's true, the speaker was sued.
In America, say, Nasuli adwin ye no. Nia menso madwin ye me. Nia obi o.
Go ye nyina gitum ye say bill na dey akoma na nado. And also on sign. That was the message.
Omahine. Omahene, enya botre, yina yeba system ni mache. Who were the people making that call?
It was the opposition.
The opposition, who needed power, all means possible.
Yeah.
You wanted them to say the bill has not been sent to Akufo-Addo. Then that is not politics. And then enya manyosem ne ye no. Amanyosem nti ne behwe Osla ni maka say Osla o gay, back on o lesbian. And yes, I say nka ye manyosem to anka nobody can say that of Esla. Enti yenye ntum say ya manyosem na ye ninti no. E ma fa baby a ye NDC for that time and no mu petumi. E can say Mampene Akufo-Addo so on sign. Bill need an name so on sign. And I may say in Suateri Adiachi, the president has taken over the office. He has checked all the records available to him. And he is saying that the anti-LGBT bill was never sent to President Akufo-Addo. Why would I go by Minya Sule's argument? It was sent. It was sent. Is there any case that Sule will know better than President John Dramani Mahama?
No way.
By records, by procedure, by whatever. Oh, no, what documents, you know. He is the president. Adewe a video. And you go for a video national and yes, it's true. Until me say Gusu Tihasi and net 2026 say a mischievous interpretation there. And ye baby son and others are didn't know one sign. That is mischief. But the truth of the matter is that the opportunity where bills are tabled before the president in the morning, say, President, this table, President Mama ye be in or my camera, that opportunity never afforded President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo.
Says our 24 hours economy policy, no. So one more bayanka, one more ye. Would you not tone, Chaya? Sa 24 hours economy policy, no. So one more baya. Nanka one more baba, one more castle, one more car, 24 hours market. One more baba, 24 hours loan. One more bayanka, one more year into a honomania for your market yard, didn't it? Are you according to for your market or say, Bay now, one more debre and then a no Akufo-Addo abresono. I didn't think one more farmer John Dramani Mahama, Emma sign. It is half on your market a casa. I will video him at the TNDC. May you write media 200% because I bear now percent MPP sign. Sankana ya the papa or wabreso and President John Dramani Mahama as a soul man sign. Nikwaya mekai Nikwasa ma mekai ni Nikwasa ma mekai Mada na wotanfu ana
Me say me catch the play na you playing fa say NDC for in this case mu ni pabonifo China make no
Ozo na da no si mu de bia ye ka ho asem oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na Addo Akufo-Addo Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de chere Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na meya mamo na abusia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow on my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow on my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals the person is yentime because of time. But those ones yetimi we component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, hospitals and it goes on and no woman say. It is a Kenyan who saying and no man in Abaya. It is a kind of they was I go to me and say, oh, I mean, say, almost saying people are comfort. Name my comfort, my sacrifice, discard to what the hospitals, most of my are comfort. a comfort ma facilitate me on be fund free seniors so mo ya comfort you say enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na 10 afi dem kekam kaka why are they shouting obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho chief imam for no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho politicians ni nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho marketing men omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho 2020 ju a then you know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open konketenkete Nancy bibi ni na nkasa de se bi ye bibi ayen ketenkete ya adwen ketenkete ye bibi ye bi invest kwa ye yen ketenkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kra ni obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems most open konketenkete is enya mo den you people chose policy you people chose music over policy then yet any nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me se bi me na me ko ka kire Addo Dee Nyane ma so o mema was come to butu wana ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi digitalization and to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Addo Dee Nyane mama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay nye beto ba na ma bum 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 mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi am
se die ko ye kwa de menu na tumi hu letter bi a yokofo chro ye eba council of state member Volta region na me se fiam Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwe ni letter na was say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya adwuma wo da and onya adwuma wo da amanam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post. Yeah, no catch you be say dipane boa. O si sa asem na me say for the first time nam one and kwa pe baby akoda na and nam one yes na che say was in ukura adwiri ni say state institution a we intelligence institution who need intel ayeka bro say problem ni nyina say economy no kwa na eboa problem ni nyina say papa your council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good to me good kwa manone ano ni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply gold no over 75%. Omo cost one as a maintain one se ba wone nipa no ni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy we take your statement ama o grant o mi bo mo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really the tiao say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fee on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the oil unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old fediana afi the also by us say any mokra mo da mempemubium adwuma wura na ankasa na mepenache no. We invite na our my no issue document say we a fugitive. Jane. Tango. Personal attack as if say your office one and you sue any personal agenda. And you're so sad. No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sabia. I don't want to talk about na me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And this state institutions are on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NNC for my